Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the program to perform the matrix addition. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic, program to perform matrix addition using C programming language. So this matrix addition we can perform using the array. We know that array there are two types available, single dimensional array and two dimensional array. Array is nothing but collection of same type of data. Single dimensional array means set of datas. Two dimensional array means it refers the matrix. It refers row size and column size. So in order to perform matrix addition we need to use the two dimensional array. Now we'll see the matrix details. Dimension of the first matrix m1 into n1, that is nothing but m1 is the row size, n1 is the column size. Similarly, dimension of the second matrix m2 into n2, m2 is the row size, n2 is column size, right? So we have two matrix m1 into n1, m2 into n2. In order to perform the addition, what is the condition? We need to check the condition. The row size of first matrix m1 is equal to row size of second matrix. m1 should be equal to m2 because the rows and columns only the corresponding elements we are going to add. So the number of rows in both the matrix should be equal. Similarly, number of column also should be equal. n1 equal to n2, right? Number of rows in first matrix and second matrix should be equal. Number of column in first matrix and second matrix should be equal. So while adding, what is the resultant matrix? What is the dimension of the resultant matrix? It may be m1 into n1 or m2 into n2 because both m1 and m2 are equal, right? So all the matrices are having same dimension. m1, n1, m2, n2. The resultant may be n1 into n1 or m2 into n2, right? Let us consider the 3 cross 3 matrix. Suppose the dimension of first matrix is 3 cross 3 mean second matrix also 3 cross 3, resultant matrix the also 3 cross 3, right? So the size of first matrix, second matrix and resultant matrix are equal. Let us consider in this entire program we are using 3 cross 3 matrix. Let us consider this is the first matrix A. We are having this matrix elements 3, 6, 7, 2, 1, 4, 5, 8, 2. So this is the first row, second row, third row. First column, second column, third column. How it is located is given here. First matrix located at 0, 0, the second one, then 0, 1, 0, 2. This 0 refers first row. This 0 refers first column. This 1 refers second column. This 2 refers third column. Similarly, we have second row and third row. 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2. So according to this location, the elements are stored in the memory location, in this memory, right? This is the first matrix. Similarly, the second matrix B 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 9, 3, 1, 4. So this is also stored in B of 0, 0, B of 0, 1, B of 0, 2, like that it will store. Here A of 0, 0, right? So now we have 3 cross 3 matrix, first matrix A, 3 cross 3 matrix, second matrix B. This is the location. Now we need to perform the addition. We need to add first matrix and second matrix, right? What is the procedure to add the matrix addition? The element, first element 0, 0, A of 0, 0 should be added with B of 0, 0. A of 0, 1 should be added with B of 0, 1. The corresponding elements are added together. That is 3 plus 1, 6 plus 2, 7 plus 4, then 2 plus 6, 1 plus 7, 4 plus 9, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1 and 2 plus 4, right? The corresponding locations are added. After adding, what we got? 4, 8, 11, 8, 8, 13, 8, 9, 6. So this is nothing but C of 0, 0, C of 0, 1, C of 0, 2, right? So corresponding location, corresponding matrix, first matrix, A matrix and B matrix are added. Corresponding elements are added together, right? So then what is the expression? We need to give the general expression, that is C of 0, 0 is nothing but, that is the first element is nothing but A of 0, 0 plus B of 0, 0. A of 0, 0 is added with B of 0, 0, that is nothing but C of 0, 0. Similarly, C of 0, 1 is nothing but A of 0, 1 plus B of 0, 1. Like that we can add. So in generally how we can write C of I comma ij equal to A of ij plus B of ij. Right? This I and j is we are using in the for loop. For example, I is the outer loop. Here 3 cross 3 matrix. So we need to vary from 0, 1, 2 like this. 0, 1, 2. Similarly, J used for column matrix. There are 3 columns available. 0, 1, 2. Like that we can vary. So automatically while using the for loop, this sentence, this statement will be automatically generated for 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Like that it will be automatically generated. So the general expression is C of ij equal to A of ij plus B of ij. Right. Now we'll go to the program. So in the program, first we'll include the header file std include stdio.h, that is standard input output dot header file. It is used for printf and scanf. Then include conio.h, console input output dot header file, used for get ch and clear screen. Then we can start the main program, void main, open the brace, right? That means the instructions are going to start. First we need to declare the variables. So what we have, first matrix A, second matrix B, resultant matrix C, right? Here we declare A of 10, 10, B of 10, 10, C of 10, 10. So this is the maximum size of row and column. Entire program we are going to use 3 cross 3 matrix. So this is the maximum location. 10 into 10 means 100 memory location will be allotted. In that we are going to use 3 cross 3, 9 elements. Otherwise we can directly use A of 3, 3 also. This is generally we declared with 10 elements. This is the number of rows and columns, M1, M2, N1, N2. This is the row size of first matrix and second matrix. N1, N2, column size of first matrix and second matrix. We already discussed we need a for loop is needed. 2 loops are needed in order to vary the row and column. So we can declare 2 variable I comma j. Right? So the first matrix, second matrix, resultant matrix, row size, column size, and variable for loop. Right. After clear screen, first we need to get the detail from the user. Enter the number of rows and columns of first matrix. We are asking the user to enter the column, first row, number of rows and column in the first matrix. So the user will enter 2 data. That is scanned by this scanf, %d, that refers integer type, and M1 and N1. This is row size, this is column size, M1 and N1. Then we ask the user to enter the rows and columns of second matrix. Then user will enter 2 data and M2 and N2, and refers the address. So user will enter another two data, row and column, M2, N2. Right. Now we got the number of rows and columns of first matrix as well as second matrix. Now we need to check the condition whether it is possible to make the matrix addition. We need to check the condition. What is the condition? If M1 equal to double equal mean it will check both are equal. Similarly N1 double equal to N2, which is the checking conditional operator, right? Whether it will check both the conditions should be true, then only we can proceed. So that we are using AND symbol. So AND logic is nothing but if both the conditions are true, then only it will return 1. If any one condition is 0, it will return 0 only. Right. So M1 is M2. It will check M1 is equal to M2. If both are equal, it will return 1. N1 is equal to N2. If both are equal, return 1. 1 and 1, it will return totally 1. If any one condition is false, it will return 0. Right. Then it will go to the else part. This is the if part. So if both the conditions are true, it will go inside. Here one brace, we open one brace, right? What we need, so we can perform the matrix addition. Now we need to ask the user to enter the elements of first matrix. Printf, enter the elements of first matrix, right? Matrix. So we already discussed 3 cross 3 matrix. So user will enter 9 elements. The first element should be stored in 0, 0, then 0, 1, 0, 2. For that we are using one for loop. For I equal to 0, I less than M1, I plus plus. we already decided that this m1 value is 3, this n1 value also 3, right? So first we open the outer loop, I equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. So initially the I value is 0, right? Then it will go to the inside. Inside we have another loop, j equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. So now j also 0. Now user will enter one data that is stored in a of 0 0. Right? Then it will go to the ij plus plus. So j1 become 1. The I is again 0 only. So the user will enter the second data that will be stored in 0 1. Then I is j is incremented to 0 2 and I is 0 only. So the third element will be stored in 0 2. Now when the j become 3, it is terminated. It should be less than 3. J should be less than 3. Then only the loop will be executed. Now it is equal to 3. This is terminated. Right? Inner loop is terminated. Now we'll go to the outer loop. Again, now ji become 1. So I plus plus is there. So I become 1. Again this j is repeated. 0, 1, 2. That is 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2 it will store. Again it is terminated. Go to the outer loop. The I become 2. Then it become 0, 1, 2, j, 2, 2. So the another 3 elements stored in 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2. Right? If the I is 3, the loop is terminated. Right? So we are using inner and outer loop. Inner loop used to vary the column. Outer loop used to vary the row size 0, 1, 2. Right? So the user enter 9 elements. These 9 elements are correspondingly stored in the A of 0 0 to A of 2 2. Right? All the values are stored. The same process now it is closed. Inner loop and outer loop. The same process repeated for the second matrix. We need to repeat for the second matrix. Enter the elements of second matrix. Same thing here, m2 and n2. Anyway, m1 is equal to m2, n1 equal to n2. n1, m1 also we can use. Both are equal. It is stored in B of ij. Right? Second matrix is stored in B of ij. The same process 0 0 0 1. Now we got the first matrix and second matrix from the user. Now we can add the two matrix and store the result in matrix C. Now we'll see how to add the matrix. So while adding also we need this for loop because correspondingly we need to store A of 0 0 should be added with B of 0 0, that is stored in C of 0 0. The same matrix, same loop we are opening. Outer loop and inner loop. M1 and N1 we are using. M2 and N2 also we can use because both the conditions are equal, correct. M1 equal to M2, N1 equal to N2. So this loop will vary. First it will vary I equal to 0 and j equal to 0. So A of 0 0 and B of 0 0 are added, that is stored in C of 0 0. Then j become 1. I is again 0 only. So A of 0 1 is added with B of 0 1, that is stored in C of 0 1. So it will go up to the all 9 elements it will be added. The resultant addition of two matrices is available in the variable C. Right? Now this matrix we need to display. We need to display the resultant matrix. Right? In order to display the answer, we need to go for another two loops. The resultant additional matrix is the slash n refers, it will go to next line. After printing this sentence, it will go to next line. So here also we need to open two matrix. Two loops we need to open. So while scanning the first matrix, we need two loop. While scanning matrix B, again we need two loops, same loop. Then while adding also we need, while display the result also we need the same loop. Here M1, N1. You can use M2, N2 also, right? So this print of slash n, it will go to the next line. Here it will print the C of 0 0. We are using slash t. After print the first element, the tapping will be given. Some space will be given. Right. After printing this first row, it will go to the terminate. This loop is terminated. Here slash n. So the second row will be printed in the next line. This loop will print the row. After printing, it will go to second line. So the next row will be printed in new line. Right. So that we can close the process. Suppose if the condition is not correct, if the condition is not, it will go to else for. What we need to print? Matrix addition is not possible because row and column size are not equal, right? If it is equal, we can process this. Otherwise, we can print get the addition matrix is not possible. Then get CH, we can close the program. This get CH is used to wait for, we can see the output until we are giving one character, it will wait so that we can view the output, right? Now we'll see the output for this program. What is the output we got? There are two cases available. One is the matrix addition is possible. Another one is matrix addition is not possible. First we will see the possible. Enter number of rows and column of first matrix. So user entered 3, 3. Enter number of rows and columns of second matrix, that also 3, 3, right? Now enter the elements of first matrix. What we discussed in the example, same elements 3, 6, 7, like that. Then enter the elements of second matrix 1, 2, 4, matrix B. So this will be added. The resultant will be 8, 4, 8, 11, 8, 8, 13, 8, 9, 6. What we discussed in the example, the same values, right? So this is one possible output. Another possible output is the addition of matrix is not possible. Now we'll see the second type of output. So the second possible of output here, we ask the user to enter the number of rows and column 3, 3. Enter the number of rows and columns of second matrix. What we entered is 2, 2, right? So these two are not equal. The number of rows in first matrix is not equal to second matrix. Similarly, column also not equal. We cannot perform because both should be equal. Then only we can add the relevant elements, right? So this is 3 cross 3 matrix. This is 2 cross 2 matrix. So it will go to the else part. There we display matrix addition is not possible, right? So this is the another possibility of output. First one is normal output, possible output. So that added and the resultant matrix is displayed. This is matrix addition is not possible. So in this video we discuss how to perform the matrix addition using C programming language. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.